Hi, I'm Keisha from the SnapPlus team, and today we'll be exploring the world of nutrient systems. A system is SnapPlus's way of grouping applications you use often so it's easier for you to apply them to your fields. For instance, if you always put the same applications on all of your corn fields, you can make a system so you can add them all with the click of a button. You can also document in more detail when an application is applied, which helps us determine if you're using split applications. You can open the nutrient system editor from a few different places. It is always available from the tool menu or the nutrients screen. For your convenience, it's also available from wherever you can apply a system. For this tutorial, we'll go through the nutrients screen. In order to create a system, click on the green plus sign under Manage Systems. We'll name this one Corn. To add applications, click on the green plus sign under Manage System Applications. Any nutrient that you already have set up on the nutrient screen will be available to add. If you're using a new source, you can click on the Add New Sources button to create it from the system's editor. Once an application is added, you can fill it out as you would an application in the rotation editor, with the exception of the ability to add an application time and notes. The time column can be used to document split applications. Any multiple applications of the same nutrient in the same season that are combined within a system count as split applications. You can add more time granularity via the time column. For instance, you can delineate that your potash application was applied post-planting or that your corn starter was applied at planting. Here's our finalized corn system. Now that I've covered how to create a system, let's move on to how to apply one. A system can be applied either through the Nutrient Application Planner or through the Rotation Wizard. Since the simplest way is through the Nutrient Application Planner, I'll start there. When you open the Nutrient Application Planner, you'll now see a button labeled Apply Nutrient System. It's as simple as opening the planner to the field and year you want, clicking this button, selecting the system you want, and clicking Apply. You can now see that the applications that were a part of my system have been applied. Even though you can't see the time and notes columns here, that information has been copied over and it will show up on reports. A system can also be applied via the Rotation Wizard, either through the Add Crop and Application Data to Fields or the Change Existing Crop Data or Application for Fields options. Through the Add Crop and Application Data to Fields, a system can be applied in the actual rotation. If you click Edit Rotations, you can see the Apply Nutrient System button where the applications are applied to particular years in the rotation. As an example, let's add our system to year 3 of this rotation. As we continue through the Rotation Wizard, we can see the applications from the system in Step 4. Let's start the wizard over with the Change Existing Crop Data or Application for Fields option. I will be able to apply a system in Step 3 if I choose to change applications. I'm only going to change applications on Field 11 in 2018 so that I can show you later that the applications have been applied. Here we have the same Apply Nutrient System button, and it works in the same way. Let's add a system to the existing applications. Once this is applied, you will see the applications in the Nutrient Application Planner for Field 11 in 2018. Finally, I'm going to show you how to share a system across SnapPlus farms. When you open the Nutrient System Editor, there will be a button labeled Share System. Click the button and give your system a name. Now on any other farm, you can go to Import/Export, then to Import Rotations and Nutrient Systems. The systems that you've saved can be chosen under Select Rotation or System to Import. Then you can map sources from the system to sources within the destination farm. If you don't have sources to map to, you'll have to create them from the Nutrient Sources screen. Once everything is mapped, then you're free to click on the Import button. Then that system will be available from the Nutrient System Editor and anywhere you'd like to apply your system. And that concludes our video on nutrient systems.